Did you know that what you do in February can make or break your garden this year? Most gardeners think February is too early to start, but the truth is, this is the secret month of success. Stick with me and I'll show you 3 simple but powerful steps to get ahead, so by spring, your garden is already thriving. Good soil equals healthy plants. Most people wait until spring, but by then, it's too late. If the ground isn't frozen, gently turn the top layer to aerate. Add compost or aged manure now to let it break down before planting. Test soil pH and adjust with lime if too acidic or sulfur if too alkaline. Worms love rich, healthy soil. If you see worms in your garden bed, you're doing it right. If not, add organic matter to attract them. Spread straw, leaves, or bark mulch around garden beds to regulate temperature and prevent soil erosion. Mulch keeps beneficial microbes alive through late winter. Mulching now also helps control early spring weeds before they even sprout. Remove dead plant material but leave some areas undisturbed for overwintering insects. Check under mulch and logs for helpful critters like ladybugs. Inspect garden beds for overwintering pests like aphid eggs and squash bug larvae. A gentle spray of neem oil on fruit trees and shrubs now prevents many springtime pest problems before they start. Some plants need extra time to grow before transplanting, like peppers, tomatoes, and eggplants. Use seed trays with a good quality seed starting mix. Keep them warm. Use a heat mat if necessary. Water lightly but consistently. Label your seeds. Nothing is worse than mixing up peppers and tomatoes later on. Cut plastic milk jugs in half, fill with soil, plant cold hardy seeds like lettuce, kale, and broccoli. Close the lid, leave outside. Mother Nature takes care of the rest. Winter-sown seedlings grow stronger because they are naturally hardened off by the time they sprout. Garlic, onions, shallots if you haven't already. Spinach, carrots, radishes if soil is workable. Use row covers or cold frames to protect young seedlings from unexpected frost. Fruit trees. Remove dead or diseased branches to promote strong new growth. Roses. Cut back to encourage fresh spring blooms. Always cut at an angle above a bud to prevent disease and direct growth. Prevents soil depletion, reduces pests naturally. Rotate crops by plant family. Don't plant tomatoes where you had potatoes last year. Pair plants that help each other, like basil next to tomatoes for pest control. Marigolds are a gardener's best friend. They repel nematodes and aphids, plant them everywhere. Instead of planting all lettuce at once, plant a few seeds every 2 weeks for a longer harvest season. Keep a garden journal to track what works and what doesn't. It'll save you time and effort next year. Check and clean garden tools. Sharpen pruners, clean off rust, oil moving parts. Install rain barrels to save money and water. A little vinegar and baking soda scrub keeps garden tools rust-free and ready for action. February is the secret month of smart gardeners. Prepare your soil, start seeds, and plan ahead for a thriving garden. A little work now makes a big difference later. What's one thing you're excited to grow this year? Tell me in the comments, and I'll help you make it the best harvest yet. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more weekly gardening tips. Check out my next video on easy seed starting hacks. You won't believe how simple it is to get started.